One's your favorite?
No, a different one. A different one.
You want to see a different one?
Yeah.
Alright, what animal's next?
Horse?
A horse?
No.
What about a dolphin?
A different.
Right. Wow, look at those dolphins.
No. Pitiful. Pitiful one.
A different one?
Yeah. Pitiful one.
Those are cute. Which one's the cutest?
Pitiful one.
Well, what animal do you want to see?
Pitiful one.
I know, but what animal do you want to see?
Pitiful one.
Do you want to see chipmunk?
Yeah, chipmunk.
Say chipmunk.
Chipmunk.
Aw, aren't they cute?
Are those chipmunks?
Mm-hmm.
More chipmunks.
Yeah, more chipmunks.
Ow! More chipmunks.
Yeah?
Ew.
Aw.
That's cute.
Say, that's so cute.
Yeah.
Say, so cute.
Cute.
Adorable. What do you want to see now?
No, that.
You want to see the chipmunks?
Yeah.
Do you love those chipmunks?
No, that.
I know, it's a chipmunk.
Monkey.
I know.
Monkey muck. Monkey muck. Happy.
What do you want to watch now?
Oh, look.
I know.
Here's the chipmunks.
I know. What do you want to see now? Do you want to see an owl?
Yeah. Lions. Oh, lions.
Do you like the owl?
The different one.
A different one?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Oh, cheetahs.
Those are owl drawings.
Lions.
No owls. So what do you want to see? What's your favorite animal?
The different one.
What's your monkey again?
Yeah. Huh.
Is that cute?
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
Aw, look.
The different one. Mickey Mouse.
No, what about a rabbit?
No, baby.
You love rabbit.
No, baby. The different one.
Do you want to see the Easter Bunny?
Yeah, Easter Bunny.
Easter Bunny. Careful. Whoa, what do you think? You okay?
Yeah, we can. You! Mickey Mouse.
That's an Easter Bunny.
No, Mickey Mouse.
Easter Bunny.
Easter Bunny. You candy. I candy.
I love you.
People different ones.
A different one?
Yeah.
Okay, tell the camera bye.
Bye, Taylor.
Aww.
Different ones.